Welcome to our YouTube channel where we're here to guide you through the process of buying a home in today's tough market. With limited inventory and increased competition, purchasing a home can be challenging. But fear not, in this step-by-step video, we're going to provide you with valuable tips and strategies to navigate this demanding real estate landscape. Let's get started.
The first step in buying a home is determining your budget. Review your financial situation, including your income, savings, and existing debts. Consider getting pre-approved by a bank or lender to understand your borrowing capacity. This knowledge will help you establish a realistic budget for your home search.
Next, identify your needs and wants in a home. Make a list of must-have features that are non-negotiable, such as the number of bedrooms, the location, or the specific amenities. Differentiate them from your wants, which are desirables but not deal breakers. This clarity will streamline your search and help you prioritize during the decision-making process.
In a tough market, research is key. Use online platforms, real estate websites, and local market reports to gain insights into current trends and pricing. Pay attention to neighborhoods you're interested in and stay updated on new listings. The more informed you are, the better equipped you'll be to make quick and confident decisions.
To navigate a competitive market, enlist the help of a knowledgeable real estate agent.
Seek someone with experience in your desired area who can guide you through the process, negotiate on your behalf, and provide valuable advice.
An agent's expertise and network can be instrumental in finding off-market opportunities and securing your dream home.
In a tough market, speed is crucial. Be prepared to act fast when you find a suitable property. Stay organized and have your financial documents readily available. And be responsive to your agent's recommendations. Being proactive and ready to make an offer promptly can significantly increase your chances of success.
Presenting a well-constructed offer is essential in a competitive market. Your agent will help you analyze comparable sales and market conditions to determine a compelling yet realistic offer price. Consider including attractive terms such as a pre-approval letter, flexible closing dates, or an escalation clause. A well-constructed offer can make you stand out from the competition.
In a tough market, it's essential to remain flexible and patient. You may encounter multiple offers, bidding wars, or even rejections. Stay focused on your priorities, be open to exploring different neighborhoods or property types, and trust that the right home will come along. It may take time, but with perseverance, you'll find the perfect fit.
Once your offer is accepted, it's time to complete the due diligence, conduct a thorough home inspection, review property disclosures, and ensure you're fully aware of potential issues. Work closely with your agents and other professionals, such as lawyers and inspectors, to address any concerns to protect your investment.
Congratulations! You've reached the final step. Work with your agent and lender to finalize the purchase process. Review and sign all necessary documents, secure your financing, and prepare for the closing legal representation to ensure a smooth and successful closing.
Buying a home in a tough market may be challenging, but armed with these step-by-step strategies, you're ready to tackle the task with confidence. Remember, patience, research, and the right professional by your side will make all the difference in the world. Best of luck on your home buying journey.
Thank you for joining us on this informative video.
If you found these tips helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.
We wish you the very best in finding your dream home.
Until next time.